In this video, I'm going to talk about unhiding the developer tab. Now, this might not seem like something that is such a big deal, but if you're taking the Microsoft Word Expert or Excel Expert certification test, this is something you're going to be asked to do on the exam, and it's quite simple to do. And what you want to do, there's a few ways to unhide this, but I'm just going to go ahead and right click in my ribbon here. I'm going to click Customize the ribbon, and that'll go ahead and pop up the Customize Ribbon Options tab. And all you want to do is just check this box that says Developer and click OK. And what that does is it reveals some macro, some content control features that you can put in. There's really a lot of advanced things that you can put into, but if you need to unhide your developer tab, you can do that. This also is an easy way to hide some tabs, some ribbons that you don't want to see. So maybe you don't want to see that anymore. Maybe you don't want to see the view anymore. You can just uncheck those boxes and click OK, and they will disappear from your view.